longer have to log into multiple different Shopify stores, looking at multiple different dashboards. You don't have to worry about logging into all of your different ad accounts to check on all of your different campaigns. You can literally import all of your ad accounts, all of your campaigns, and all of your Shopify stores into one location, and then you can create boards and dashboards. So that way, you can easily review different metrics that you want to see all in one place. When you add the app to your store, I want to note that the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the configuration tab, so that way you can integrate everything into this app. It's very easy to do. You simply click on the configuration tab and then click on the integration button in the top right hand corner. Once you do that, you'll notice how you can add different Shopify stores. Then you can even add your Google accounts, YouTube accounts, Facebook and Instagram ad accounts. You'll even notice down there where it says Klaviyo, which is my favorite email marketing platform for e-commerce business owners. So that's a pretty cool feature too. Okay, now something I want to talk to you about is the daily brief. So yes, you're going to create boards and different dashboards, but every day when you wake up and you log online, you want to look at the same metrics every single day, right? And that's the beauty of the daily brief. So you're going to click on the daily brief button, and then you're going to click edit to then essentially tell the app all of the things that you want to look at every single day. We're going to go to the integrations tab. You'll see we have our Shopify store. We want to select it by product. And let's say we want to get a daily brief on our Build Your Entire Website For You package. So we're going to select that one. Now we're going to go to metrics, and we're going to tell the app what metrics we want to see on a daily brief. We could do total orders, gross sales, and then maybe even Shopify new customers. After that, we'll do update. Now you'll see that we've set up our dashboard to get a daily brief, and we can filter it by date. So this was yesterday's date, and we can even do today's date. You can add as many integrations as you'd like to do for your daily brief. Just simply go here, make sure you're under the integrations tab to keep adding more integrations for your daily brief. So that way, you wake up, you make a cup of coffee, you log onto your laptop, you pull up the daily brief, and all of the metrics that you want to see for that particular day are right there. Now let me show you the products page and the orders page. So after integrating all of your different Shopify stores, you can click on this products tab, and you'll notice that all of the products on every single Shopify store have been integrated into this app. So you can view and manage all of the products from all of your different accounts right here. Same thing goes for the orders tab. You can integrate all of your different Shopify stores into this one app, and then use the orders page to see all of your orders across all of your different Shopify stores all in one place. After integrating all of your different ad accounts, you can click on the ad accounts button, and that is where you'll be able to manage all of your different ad accounts all in one spot. Same thing goes for the campaigns. If you're running multiple different campaigns, you can just integrate all of those campaigns into this app and then manage all of those campaigns from the app. Then you can create different boards and dashboards to show you the metrics that you want to see across different ad accounts or across different campaigns. This app even allows you to create boards. So you can have multiple boards. Let's say, for example, you are a Shopify business owner and you have multiple different Shopify stores with multiple different brands. You can create a board for each Shopify store and for each brand, and you can tell the app what metrics you want to see on each particular board. You'd give your board a name, select the currency that it's in, and you can even choose between a chart or a table. To start creating the board, you would click Add Integration, and then you would select what type you want to see on this particular board. Let's say sales channel. You would come over here and you could select whatever sales channel you want for this particular board. So you could have a board that is specifically dedicated to Google and YouTube, or Facebook and Instagram, or if you just wanted to see all of them, you can just select all the different sales channels that are available. Now that we have completed our integration, we want to tell the app what metrics we want to see. So let's say, for example, we just want to see all of them. Then we can click Create. Now you will see that I have a board for Weisheipl and Company that shows all of my sales channels and all the metrics that I want to look for here on this one dashboard. You can create more boards, and all of the boards that you create will line up in a column right here. To create another board, just click Create Board. Let's say this one I want it to be product based. I'll name it Website Design. For this one, maybe I want it to be a table. Now I'm going to add the integration and tell the app that I want it to be a specific product, and I want it to be my Build Your Entire Website For You package. We'll go ahead and just select all again, and then click Create. You'll notice now that I have two different boards, one specifically involving my product, which is website design. The other one is a company-wide, and it's based upon all my different sales channels. Metricos makes it super easy to add all of your different Shopify stores and your different ad accounts between Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. Once you add all of the integrations, you can then begin by setting up your daily brief so you can get a daily rundown of what you want to look for every single day. And then I would highly suggest setting up different boards so that way you can look at different metrics across different products, different stores, whatever you want to look at, and you can create as many boards as you'd like. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about Shopify, email marketing, different apps to use, and just business things in general, then consider subscribing to my channel. And with that, I will see you in the next video.